Welcome to a new video. I have bought a new watch for my collection and it's a Casio. So let's find out what we have here. So the Casio I have bought is a small digital watch, and the number of the watch is A158WA-1DF. And before we try this watch on, let's go through some basic information. It's a really light watch, and the weight of it is 45 grams. You get a 7-year battery lifetime on it, and the lug width is 18 millimeter, and I bought it for about 32 euros. And to check that it's a real Casio and not a fake, you just hold this button for a while and it will say Casio. So this is a real Casio and not a fake. So let's try it on. And for me this is a really classic watch, because I had one familiar like this back in the 80s. So this is definitely gonna get some wrist time, and if you have any more questions about this watch or about any other watch I have in my collection, you just put that in the comments below. And of course, if you like these videos about my watches, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.